This is Josh with ARAC Roof It Forward. I'm doing a roof inspection here for Mike and his wife, where we did find some damage. If you look around, actually, these other roofs as well, you can see there's missing tabs all throughout. But we found the same exact things on this roof. Now, I did mark it up with sidewalk chalk, so it's going to be a little colorful until it rains here, but it'll wash right off. But we're basically looking for two different things. We're looking for wind damage and hail damage. Also, I took a look at the leak over here, but I'll start on the front side. I did circle where there's hail marks. So if you look in here, you can see all the dots. That's where hail's hit the roof. It's pretty evident. And then if you see the lines, it's gonna be where you have creased shingles, where the shingle is actually, wind's gotten underneath of it, flapped it forward or up, and then laid it back down. Just became unsealed. Those are all areas where water is eventually going to leak in. Those tabs will actually come off just like the neighbors over there did, just because this roof is so brittle. Brittle being basically, if we were to try to repair this roof, it's almost like a graham cracker. Every time we try to repair it, it would actually break another shingle. So I just put the counts on here. There's 12 plus hail hits on the front side, and then 3 plus wind damage shingles, which really with one wind damage shingle, they'll have to replace this whole slope. And then if you take a look over at this slope, you can see how this front portion comes underneath of the portion here. So in addition, they would have to replace this portion as well. And same on this side, how the front portion comes under this. So that would take care of the whole front slope right there. Coming over to the back side, it's a little more steep, so I didn't go down as far. But I noticed a couple things. There was a satellite dish down here at the bottom. You can see the wire. You can also see the glue or the asphalt that they put on there. So that could be an area where the leak's coming from. Also, if you look in here, you can tell with the flashing, and all these nails are just coming up. You can tell, but water could be getting in any of these areas. So there's a couple different areas here that water could be getting in. But I did the same thing back here. I didn't mark all the hail marks just because there's enough wind on there to really get it taken care of. But as you can see, a bunch of other unsealed shingles that have flapped through the wind. So in my opinion, you have more than enough damage up here to get the insurance company to take care of the roof and cover it. I'm gonna go ahead and hand this back over to you. You can take a look at it. And we can go through the next steps. Once again, this is Josh with ARAC Roof It Forward, benefiting children with childhood cancer, and I will see you on the ground.